5, 5, 21. And what do we have for you? We have the perfect solution. Understanding that TLY today was down. Tyler Technologies is the name of the company, by the way. But nonetheless, what we're really looking at is that reversal. And then today's daily big drop. And the green line that you see there is a 200-day simple moving average. And that's exactly what that represents. So therefore, once you break below it, that means that it can create more selling. So one always has to take into consideration as to what that looks like when you're identifying gap downs, you gap down, and so forth. Two narrow range days, that was a doji. You couldn't even get above the lows here. Here, all that was a sell tail and confirmed again with the gap down and confirmed again at the high of this bar, which was slightly right, just fractionally above the low of the previous bar that you see there in price. So today, this bar right here was a fairly decent sell down bar, like I said. So when you're identifying, that was a $19.02 range, and the top on it today was 419.46, and the low was 400.44, and the last print was 400.98, down 14.05 and 417,000 shares, and that equals 3.39%. Now, what you want to do is understand how to trade options. We found this on our list because it's in a downtrend, and we spotted it going through our list, and here it is. So that total reversal is $19.02. Once again, take the free trial. It's here for who? You. And why? So that you can also find these and then know how to trade them. And when they bounce off of the bottom and they go that way on the way up, this one does have volatility in it, but it's been in a very big daily downtrend. This is what it looks like on the weekly. There's those two arrows right there. And it's going to test a 50-week simple moving average. If it breaks it, it's got a lot more downside room to go. And because of that, we would be making the transaction accordingly based on a 50-week violation in price. So let's move on to the monthly. As we see it today, we can see once again where the top was put in on 2/1 of 21, and then we move over here. That was not a good month for technology either. And the name of the company, like I said, is Tyler Technologies and Inc. So we can see exactly how a 50-month moving average, okay, the white line, we're on a 50-month moving average right here. And on a 50-month, when they break down, it wouldn't have any support till it got down to 362 there. And that would represent the monthly moving average. And we can see that that is a 20-month moving average. So trading down and testing it if we break it. Back to the daily, let's see how oversold it might be. So when we do look at the daily, we do take a look at the MACD. It's minus 5.136. So each day of the 5-day cycle here, the MACD has been declining each day, and then the price follows thereafter. Once again, take that free trial, do yourself a favor, And when you find setups, then you need to know how to execute them. This one is a short one, and it is because once it violates all of that weekly, and we already violated the 200. So once again, there's a lot more downside. Good luck and sign up.